Hey everyone, setting clear goals is one of the best ways to keep your team focused and make sure daily tasks connect with bigger objectives. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set goals in Asana, track progress, and keep your projects aligned with what matters most. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. From your workspace, go to the Goals section. If you don't see it in your sidebar, you may need to access it through the reporting or navigation options, depending on your workspace setup. Once you're on the Goals page, click the option to create a new goal. Add a clear goal name that explains what you want to achieve. For example, you could create goals for increasing sales, launching a product, improving customer support, or completing a major project. Next, add more details to your goal. You can include a description, choose the owner responsible for tracking it, and select the time period for completion. Adding clear details makes it easier for everyone to understand what success looks like. After creating your goal, add key results to measure progress. Key results are specific outcomes that show whether you're moving toward your goal. For example, instead of simply saying, increase website traffic, a key result could be reaching a specific number of visitors within a certain period. To make your goals more actionable, connect related projects and tasks. This allows Asana to show how your team's daily work contributes to larger objectives. This connection helps everyone understand why their tasks are important. After setting up your goal, regularly review its progress. Update the status, adjust key results, and add notes whenever something changes. This helps your team quickly understand whether the goal is on track, needs attention, or requires changes. Finally, make sure the right people can view and follow your goals. Regular goal reviews help teams stay focused and make better decisions. A goal is much more useful when everyone understands the direction and progress, and that's how to set goals in Asana. By creating clear objectives, adding measurable results, and tracking progress regularly, you can keep your projects and teams moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.